Welcome to this channel. In this video, I will show you exactly how to install WordPress and build your website. So as you can see, I'm on the installation dashboard where I can just click on install and actually install my WordPress. But how exactly do we get here? Now, it depends on the type of hosting provider you are using. So for example, this particular website that I'm trying to install, the hosting is with Namecheap. So if you're using Namecheap, you just log in. It's very similar to any other platform you may be using. So just follow and you'll be able to do it. Even if you are using a different hosting provider, follow it and you'll be able to do it. So when you log in, when you look, you will see hosting list. And you should have already had your hosting and your domain name before you can install WordPress. If you don't have a domain name and you haven't bought a hosting, you cannot in the first place do that. So for those who don't have a domain name, you just come here and click on domain name search. Then you can try to buy a hosting in addition, or you can even go to the hosting. For example, if you're going to buy a hosting in WordPress, you just come and then click on shared hosting. Then you see these are the packages. You can choose the one you want. When you click on this, let's say you choose this or you choose this one. When you click on get started, they will ask you to add a domain name. If you don't have a domain name, then you will add a domain name and then you'll be able to buy your domain name. After you've done that and made payment for it, just come back to your hosting list, come and click on hosting. Then it will show you a list of hosting packages you have got. So my own like this, I have got a Stellar Plus hosting package. Then when you check here, you will see go to cpanel. So you click on go to cpanel. So it is redirecting me to cpanel. So I've got here. So when you get to something like that, you just click on WordPress. And then you click on install. When you click on install, you will be asked to set up your WordPress admin dashboard login details. So you will choose your website. So example, let's say colemanconstruction.com. Then the version of WordPress, normally choose the latest version. So that's the latest version. Then you put your site name. So when I say your site name, for example, this is my site, for example. What is the site? The name here. Normally you have the name and the description. So you can just, so the name is Coleman Construction. Then the description will be this one. So let me just come back to it. So this one, for example, the name is my blog, and then there's a description. So you just get the name for it. Then you add a description to the name, depending on what your business is about. Then you come here, the admin username, you put your username. So for example, my name is David Asana, so I can just put David here as my username, then put a password. This is the default password they are giving. If you're using the default password, make sure you copy it, because the default one is always very technical. If you don't copy it, you will forget it. Then you put your admin email here. Then you can select some plugins that you want to install by default. So this is one that you can choose. You can also choose the backups, so that if there's anything, your data will be backed up. So you select all that you want, the options that are good for you. Then the language, you select it. You can select the theme. So for now, you can also leave it. But if you want to choose a theme, normally what I will advise, there are different types of themes, okay? But I will advise for now, you can leave the theme. When you log in, then we'll continue with that one later, okay? So you come here and then click on what? Install. When you click on install, it is going to install it for you. I have already installed my site, and the site is working, so I don't need to install another one again. If not, it will override the original installation. So when you click on install, within a few seconds, it will finish installing. Then you can, you will see admin dashboard login. You can just click on it, and then it will take you to the dashboard. So when you see, go to admin dashboard, when you log in, it is going to bring you to this particular place. Then you can go further to develop your website. Now, I did a video earlier on how to go further and develop your website. Okay, so you can check a video, this video, and then you'll be able to follow it to install. You'll be able to follow it to actually a step-by-step tutorial to develop the website of your own from beginning to the end. I will also leave it in the description of this video. You can follow it, and then it will actually help you. Thank you so much for watching. Remember to subscribe to this channel, turn on the notification bell, and like this video. Leave your comments in the comment section. You can also WhatsApp or send us a message on Telegram. I will help you get everything going perfectly. Once again, thank you and see you in the next video. Bye.